Hello class, this is the digital landing page. Inquisitive is the piece that we're going to use, and you'll be following along and doing these 19 chapters. If we go on back to this, you can see that there's purchasing options right there. That brings us to a familiar page. I'm suggesting that the ebook for $70 that includes SmartWork 5 and Inquisitive is probably worth it because it has so many good features that it'll really speed your time, and it's a great textbook, and SmartWork 5 is a really useful piece. However, I'm not going to assign you to do the $70 one because that's a big expense for you. So the $20 one is the option that you have. This Inquisitive, for this, you would click on that, and then when you purchase and register for access, you'll see that you have an opportunity down here for a 21-day trial access. Why don't you do that at first? Because when you sign up for a trial access, then you can get started right today for it, and that's important to get started. You'll come up with the $20. If you don't complete enough of the work in 21 days, then you can always purchase the trial access by then. You can also upgrade to something greater if you wanted to. When you sign up for that, you'll have to put in your account and create all that. Thank you very much.